Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to shade. In this tutorial, you can use any kind of pencils, such as these, but I will be using my Derwent graphic pencil. So let's get started. You will need to draw a circle. I've already drawn a circle in my case. After you have drawn a circle, take a 7B pencil and darken the outlines. We will suppose the light is coming from this direction, hence the shadows will be formed in the opposite direction. The area furthest away from the light source will be the darkest, so we will first start from the darkest shade and then build our way up to the lightest one. Now using a 7B pencil, I am shading the edge of the circle. Now switch to the 4B grade pencil and shade alongside your previous shades. We are making a crescent with each of our pencil grades. Here I'll repeat the process with my 2B pencil. If you can notice, the shades are slowly getting lighter and lighter as we progress. Do the same with the B grade pencil. We will finish our shading with an F grade pencil. I will leave a small circle for the highlights. Blend all the shades with the blending stump. There are many ways to blend. If you want a video about that, click the area on the top right corner. I am darkening the shades because you can always add more shades at the end. Now blend in all the shades. Add the shadows and blend them for the final touches. You can see how easily I turned a simple 2D circle to a 3D one. Thank you everyone for watching my tutorial. I hope it helped you. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I will soon be back with another video.